Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Movement Mortgage account. To log into your Movement Mortgage account, first of all, visit a web browser. After opening up a web browser of your choice, go to the URL box and type in apply.movement.com and search. Doing this will take you to the sign-in page for Movement Mortgage. If you don't have an account yet for Movement Mortgage, click on the sign up button at the top left and follow through the registration process. If you already have an account and you'd like to log in and manage your account, in the email and password tab, type in your email address and your correct account's password. If you don't remember your credentials or you are having trouble signing in, click on this little trouble signing in link and follow through the instructions. Finally, after filling in your details, click on sign in and that should be able to log you in to your Movement Mortgage account. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.